In the Winter 24 release, you can enable the new Knowledge Article Editor and also enable this to show accordions within the body of your article. From Salesforce Setup, go to Release Updates and enable the Lightning Editor for Knowledge. Once this is done, go to a knowledge article for which you want to add accordions. From a knowledge article, now let's edit our content, and from here we want to insert an accordion. We're going to call this introduction, and within the body I'm going to add some text. Now that I've finished, you'll see I have a number of different accordions within the body of my knowledge article that are now being used to break up the section into readable chunks. I'm now going to save the article and then publish it. Now when I view an article, I can optionally collapse or expand sections to make it easier to read. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and add any feedback in the comments. Thanks.